At Labworks, we believe that science is enabled through companies like ours who spend time investing and reinvesting into technologies that help our researchers, our customers, the scientists, the architects, the labs, advance their products and their research through precision operation and environments that we can supply them. In designing them and in building them, it's really important for us to, first of all, understand what is the purpose of these rooms and what are they in intention or are they trying to accomplish? And then secondly, how do we build them in a way that meets their needs, is reliable, efficient, and performs in the way and the aspect that they would want? We use all the latest tools and methodologies to assemble these rooms and manufacture them in a way that they can be installed on a customer's site quickly, efficiently, and brought up into use in an effective manner.
In 2020, Labworks International opened our prefabricated modular facility. It allowed us to build more within our scope. When we were delivering product to site with the environmental rooms, we had a greater confidence in how they'll perform. By doing this within our own facility, we were able to manage these trades and our subcontractors much closer and produce greater accurate results. As these controlled environmental rooms were delivered to site, they'd be almost plug and play ready for the customer and client with only some small tweaks that were required and to ensure that during transport nothing happened to our rooms.
Labworks prefabrication facility is equipped with all the necessary machinery, equipment, and tools in order to fabricate high-quality environmental rooms. Our assemblers are all highly trained and know how the system will work and then how these units are function, and also they know that how they need to assemble these rooms during the assembly process.
The reason we manufacture the units in a factory versus on site is to ensure we have complete control of the quality and all the steps that go into manufacturing an environmental chamber. We can control every step of the process, from the receipt of the materials, the quality checks that go into making sure the components and materials are to the standards that we need to install them. And then upon completion of the units, we factory test the components and the complete systems to ensure that they work before they leave the factory. We package the environmental chamber. We have control of it from the minute it leaves our warehouse to site so that we can install it efficiently and accurately on the project site.